guys, we're just going to play Minecraft. So this is why you should never do that. So first you can kill golem if you have some a weak weapon. If you have stone or if you have stone or wooden, don't try to this golem, because he have not 99% kill percent to kill you, but you have chance is 90% to kill with your netherite sword with chances, but in 70% if you don't have if you don't have an enchant with your sword, but it's netherite, it's gonna be coolest. But I try to complain, guys. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. I just explain how to is going, but I should have like and subscribe, guys. Bye bye. Peace out. Stay hydrated. Bye, guys.